Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Face ID and passcode not in settings on iPhone. If you have ever opened your iPhone settings app only to find the Face ID and passcode option missing, you are not alone. This critical security feature missing can be confusing and frustrating, especially if you are trying to change your passcode or Face ID settings. So in this video we will explore why Face ID and passcode is not in settings and walk you through how to fix it step by step. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is check screen time restrictions. The most common reason the Face ID and passcode option is missing in settings is due to screen time restrictions. This feature is typically used by parents or administrators to limit access to certain parts of the iPhone. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and go to screen time option. Tap on it and then scroll down and choose Content and Privacy Restrictions option. Next, scroll down under Allow Changes to Section and then choose Passcode and Face ID at the top and then choose Allow from here and you are done. And the next step is check for Mobile Device Management. If your iPhone was provided by an employer or school or you installed a profile for VPN or app management, it may be under Mobile Data Management. MDM allows the administrator to configure restrictions including not showing the Face ID and passcode settings. For this, go to Settings and then scroll down and choose General option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose VPN and Device Management. If you see a Mobile Device Management or MDM profile, tap it and read the profile details to check what restrictions are in place. If the profile restricts passcode or biometric settings, you will either need to remove the profile or contact the organization that manages your device. And you are done. And the next step is check for Business Microsoft Exchange email. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down to the App section, tap on it and then choose Mail app or you can search it from here. Tap on it and then choose Mail accounts. Next, tap on any work or school email account and choose Delete account and then restart your iPhone and check if the Face ID and passcode has returned. If this works, you can try adding the email account back and checking if the restrictions return and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. If the Face ID and passcode option is still not in settings, try resetting all settings. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and go to General option. Scroll down to the bottom or choose Transfer Reset iPhone. Next, choose Reset and choose Reset all settings on your iPhone. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and confirm. This resets all settings like Wi-Fi, VPN preferences but doesn't delete your data. Once done, check to see if the Face ID and passcode option is back in the settings menu. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down to see if the Face ID and passcode option is back and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix Face ID and passcode not in settings on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.